He's moving.
Stack train, I'm glad we didn't miss this! Man, what? That is awesome! 6 engines! And he's moving at 70 miles per hour!
Well, let's find out.
CSX, how tomorrow moves.
65 miles an hour.
He's gonna derail!
No, he's not.
He could!
It's rated for that. These tracks are.
There might be a sharp corner that it could derail on. It's like a runaway train. I bet this is a runaway train.
173.3, track 1.
Turn the scanner down! Why aren't you turning it down?
It's this one. It won't say anything else. It's just because he went past this.
That stack train is so massive. I hope you can count this. This is not going to be great.
Wow, he's got a bunch of empties.
Oh, it downgraded to
57 now.
Oh, and it turned back into stack. Why is this train going extremely fast?
I don't know. Maybe it's a priority.
It's gonna... I bet this is a runaway train.
No way.
But it's kind of a runaway train.
Oh, it is a priority. He's got one right there. He's slowing down. He's doing 48 now.
Might be going slower for the corners than boom.
Yeah. Top speed of 65 miles an hour.
145 cars and 6 engines.